everyone, and welcome. I'm Dr. Amy Starr from Mesa Veterinary Clinic, Paws and Hooves Mobile Veterinary Services, and San Francisco Stables. I'm coming to you today to give you the tip of the week. This week I'd like to focus on annual exams and everything that a pet needs every year. So basically, if we remember that in our dogs, we kind of say that there's 7 dog years per each human year, and in cats that is a little bit different because cats tend to live longer, and then obviously our horses have a little bit longer as well. So if we kind of consider the dog just as our stable basis, and we think about if there's 7 dog years in each year that we go through, then if we're doing an annual exam, then we're actually doing an exam that's like us going to our doctor once every 7 years. Obviously, we know that with ourselves, a lot of things can happen in 7 years, and we want to make sure that we're keeping up with everything. So basically, if we get our exam every year with our pets, if we do a dental cleaning every year with our pets, if we do blood work as they start to come into their adult and senior years, and obviously the vaccines that they need, and for older pets, their annual x-rays, chest x-rays. These are things that in ourselves, if we look at doing those every 7 years, imagine you going to the dentist and getting your teeth cleaned every 7 years. That is, just barely going to make it sufficient. And then if we think about our pets, some of our dogs go 2, 3, 4, even 10 years without getting a dental cleaning. And by the time we're seeing them as a veterinarian, the teeth are rotting, falling out, the gums are abscessed, that bacteria may have already caused heart failure or kidney failure, and that's past when we can really do a whole lot about it. So what's really, really important is that you get on a schedule with your veterinarian, that you do those annual exams, make sure that everything is going okay, that there's no little lumps or bumps popping up that need to be addressed. Again, if we think about it, cancer and tumors are very common in every species, human and animal alike. And the older we get, the more they can come up. And so if we're just checking those out every 4 or 5 years, then we're not really doing it justice. Whereas if we can do those checks, you guys can do them at home every month, and then we can do a full exam at the vet clinic once a year, or even every 6 months if we have an older animal with some issues. And that way we can really be taking care of the overall health of your pet and try to prevent some of those problems that can come up. So we want to try not to do what we call wiggly tooth dentistry, or after the fact try and come in with a fire engine and save the day. We actually want to do preventative medicine. We want to keep your pets healthy and have them live longer, healthier, more comfortable, more fruitful lives. And the only way we can do that is by seeing your pets every 6 to 12 months, doing the necessary blood work so that we can find problems early and we can manage them before they get beyond the point of fixing. We can do preventative dental cleanings, just like you and I get when we go to the dentist. We're not going in there when we've got a 1/4 inch of plaque buildup and our friends and family can't be around us because our breath smells so bad and our teeth are falling out. We're going in there for preventative dentistry, which is the exact same thing that our dogs and cats need, our horses need their floatings. And then again, any vaccines that are needed, and as well as in the older animals, if we do those chest x-rays, we can look at the heart function, we can look at any masses in the chest, things like lung function, everything that goes along with that. So please remember, really, really important, not only like we discussed last week, your new pet exam just to make sure that there's no congenital problems, but also the annual or every 6-month well animal check. We want to really help you to help your pet become healthier and happier and have a longer life. Remember our mission with our clinics. We're here to help El Paso help their pets. All right? Have a great week, and thank you for checking in. Bye-bye.